Chapter 1: Input and Output Devices. Let's learn input devices, output devices. Input devices. The input devices help us to enter data and give instructions to the computer. You have already learned about many input devices such as keyboard, mouse, gamepad, and microphone. The keyboard is used to give inputs in the form of text, while a microphone is used to give input in the sound form. In addition to these, we have some other input devices such as barcode readers, sensors, scanners, and graphic tablet. Let's learn more about them. Barcode reader. A barcode is a series of black vertical bars of different widths printed to the packet of a product. It contains information about a product for sale, such as its name and price. Every product has a unique barcode. A barcode reader is a handheld input device that scans the barcode and reads all the information related to the product, such as the product name and its price. It helps in bill preparation of the product. Sensor. A sensor is an input device that records data about the physical environment around it. It converts a real-world property, for example, temperature, pressure, light, into data that a computer can understand and process. For example, a light sensor is used to automatically turn on the street lights at night and turns off them during the day. It is done by detecting and measuring the amount of available daylight. Did you know? A barcode reader is also called a price scanner or point of scale (POS) scanner. Keywords. Instructions. A set of steps given to a computer. Handheld device. A device that can be held in a hand. Light sensor. Light sensor helps to detect the light or darkness and turn on the street lights accordingly. Scanner. The scanner converts printed data or images from paper to digital or electronic data format so that a computer can store and process it. A scanned image can be saved, modified, and shared as and when you required. Following are the types of scanners. Flatbed scanner. In this type of scanner, the document is placed on a flat surface for scanning. They are used in homes, schools, and offices. Sheet-fed scanner. In this type of scanner, the document is placed in the feeder. The sheet-fed scanners are used for scanning multiple documents. These are used in offices and small business. Keywords. Electronic data format. Information or data that can be stored, created, or transmitted to or from the computer software. Digital data format. Information stored in digital, OS, and 1S format. Handheld scanner. This type of scanner is dragged over the surface of the image to be scanned. These are used in libraries and shopping malls. They are portable scanners and come in a size that can fit in your pocket. Graphics tablet. A graphics tablet is an input device that allows a user to hand draw images, animation, and graphics on a computer using a special pen-like device called as stylus. A graphic table has a touch-sensitive drawing surface that transfers the image drawn through stylus to the monitor. Did you know? Graphics tablet can also be used to capture handwritten signatures. Did you know? Animation is the art of making objects move on a screen. An object can be text or an image. Webcam. A webcam is a video camera that gives an image in real time to a computer. It is directly connected to a computer and does not have memory storage. It can be used for face-to-face conversation during a video call. It is also used for security surveillance, video broadcasting, and for recording videos. Did you know? Real time is the actual time during which something takes place. For example, we chat online in real time. Touchpad. A touchpad or trackpad is a flat control surface used to move the cursor. It allows the user to move a cursor with their finger. It can be used in place of an external mouse. As you move your finger on the surface, the mouse cursor moves in that same direction. Touchpads are commonly found on the laptops. Some keyboards also come with a touchpad. MICR. The full form of MICR is magnetic ink character recognition. It is used to recognize characters that are written using a special magnetic ink. It is largely used in banks and other organizations. Important documents such as checks and vouchers are printed using magnetic ink. Light pen. A light pen is a light-sensitive computer input device. It is basically a stylus used to select the text and draw pictures on the monitor. Keywords. Broadcasting, showing on television. Security surveillance, monitoring the area for safety and security. Output devices. Output devices help in providing the result of the processing of input data and instructions given by the user using an input device. You can get different types of output from a computer. The monitor is used to display the output on screen, while a printer is used to give the output as a hard copy. You have already learned about a few output devices, such as monitors, printers, speakers, and headphones. The printer and monitor have some limitations in terms of the size and quality of the output. We can use additional output device such as plotter or a projector in case of special requirements. Projector. A projector is an output device that displays an image on a large surface, such as widescreen or a wall. It may be used as an alternative to a monitor or television when showing videos or images to a large group of people. Projectors can be mounted on ceilings or may be freestanding and portable. They are commonly used in classrooms, conference rooms, and auditoriums. Plotter. A plotter is similar to a printer that follows commands from a computer to make line drawings on paper with one or more automated pens. Plotters can work on very large sheets of paper. They are much more expensive and also quite large in size when compared to normal printers. A plotter is used to print architectural blueprints, engineering designs, and other detailed drawings like jewelry designs. Robotic arm. A robotic arm is a mechanical arm that works like a human arm but is controlled by the computer. It is used for various types of industrial production tasks that require extremely precise, fast, and repeatable movements. They are used for pick and place types of tasks such as conveyor belt applications. Robotic arm is very useful in conditions where humans might struggle to perform safely. Printers. A printer is an output device that is used to print the output on paper. They are commonly used to print text, images, and photos. Types of printers. Docs matrix printers. These printers print characters by sticking on the paper. They work like a typewriter. The dot matrix printers cannot produce high quality images. Inkjet printers. These printers print the text and graphics by spraying droplets of ink on paper. The inkjet printers produce high quality images. Keywords. Line drawing. A pen or pencil drawing that consists only of lines. Blueprint. A photogenic copy of an early plan for a building or machine. Conveyor belt. A continuous moving steps or surface that is used to transport objects from one place to another. Laser printers. These printers use laser beams to print the image. The laser printers print very fast and produce high quality images. The laser printers are costlier than inkjet printers. Let's summarize. The input devices help us to enter data and give instructions to the computer. A barcode is a series of black vertical bars of different widths printed on the packet of a product. The barcode reader is a handheld input device that scans the barcode and reads all the information related to the product, such as the product name and price of the product. The scanner converts printed data or images from paper to digital or electronic data format so that a computer can store and process it. A graphics tablet is an input device that allows a user to hand draw images, animation, and graphics using a special pen-like device called as stylus. The full form of MICR is magnetic ink character recognition. It is used to recognize characters. A robotic arm is a mechanical arm that works like a human arm but is controlled by the computer. The plotter is used to print architectural blueprints, engineering designs, and other detailed drawings like jewelry designs.